We all have electronics at home piling up in drawers. And even when we would recover all those electronics, not all materials could be recycled. An example of that is plastics. Plastics are very often burnt. So we recover energy, but we don't recover the material itself. So we were thinking, what can we do with all the old cases that we have? And we were looking for collaborations that could do something very cool with those plastics. And we found it.
I think the collaboration between us and Fairphone is a perfect example. At vanPlestik we are focusing on materials, recycled materials, and how to upcycle them into new high-value products. Fairphone is also focused on materials, using materials in a sustainable, fair way. Sourcing them in a sustainable way, but also designing modular so pieces can be taken apart to recycle or reuse. This also made this collaboration possible. Because Fairphone is designed modular, the back end of the phone could be taken apart and upcycled into a high-value new product. So together with Mikael we designed a range of different products that are high value and that can be used by Fairphone.
The process that we use is really quite simple. Fairphone collected and separated the phone cases by color and dropped them off here. The phone cases first have to be shredded in our shredder. After that we put the tiny flakes in our 3D printer. The printer melts the plastic and creates a thick long wire. Layer by layer our new objects are being made. So we are able to create valuable objects out of material that is otherwise thrown away.
So we're not going to solve the problem by ourselves, we have to show by example that you can do it differently and maybe inspire others to do the same.